Hello, my name's Martin Langlands. I live in the South Island of New Zealand. I'm a fly fishing guide, trout fly developer, professional fly tyer and filmmaker. I'd like to introduce to you today a DVD on how to tie and how to fish cicada dry flies. Incorporated in this DVD is step-by-step instructions and importantly all the materials you need to tie at least 10 dry flies with variation in size and colour. Very simple to tie, very fun to tie, high float pattern, high visibility. Not only does it work as a cicada, it also is very impressionistic, so it looks a lot like terrestrial patterns, so you can use it around the world.